Here's this new Hunter fan in my neighbor's kitchen. They replaced the 5-minute Westminster in white. It's a remote. So here's the light. I think it's dimmable, but it has LEDs in it, so it might dim. Let me check it. Oh, it does dim. It probably came with some light bulbs that work with it. So you can dim it all the way down. It does kind of take a minute, that's weird. But yeah, we'll start it on, I guess, the first speed. Make sure it's on low. 6-blade, I don't know the model name of it. Colin, do you know the model name of it? Yeah. I should have taken the 5-minute Westminster. I took the 2 standard ones and a Hunter Brighton as well. I didn't think the 5-minute one was as uncommon as it was. I haven't seen another one for sale anywhere in a long time. But I kind of like these new fans. They're all right. They're not the best performing, but they're. The living room one's got a really nice low. Right, Colin?
Uh-huh.
Grab the remote again. So light. Go to the next speed. I don't know how many. Colin, how many speeds does this fan have?
A lot.
Oh, that's great. This is gonna be a long video. My phone's at 15. So that's great. I think it's 4.
I don't know how many I have. I was going with 3.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. Can you see where it goes? Yeah. It's on a 2-foot down rod, I believe. Alright, here's the light on whatever speed it's on right now. Alright, next speed. Maybe it is high. Or it's just really fast. It is actually moving good air. Blowing that calendar and the towels around. And the onion. And a Jolly Rancher bag. And the curtains. And these towels. Yeah. I got that. So, yeah. Doing pretty good on high. This might be high. I'm pretty sure it's high.
It's not shaky at all either.
Yeah. Blades
I'm
are
surprised how sturdy it is.
Blades are in pretty good clock. Alright, let's see if it goes up anymore. No, it's high. Okay, so let's shut it off. My arm is done after filming this video. I'll try to hold it as still as I can for spin down, but no one wants to see that, so it's okay. I probably won't show the full spin down because it's brand new, so it's going to take forever.
Yeah. Also, probably want to do a voiceover because copyright.
I don't care. Yeah, screw copyright. They're not going to sue me. I've got like $20 to give them if they try to sue me. I might do the whole spin down. It's going pretty quick. I'm thirsty.
You have your Gatorade somewhere.
Oh yeah, it's on the bottom. Thanks. It'd take forever. I'm actually just gonna stop here. So thanks for watching the demo of this newer hunter thing in oil rub bronze, I guess. And I'll see you soon. Goodbye.